Muskan Khan. Today I am in Ukraine, Kharkiv in boys hostel. In the previous video I was show you girls hostels. So today now I am going to show you boys hostel. So I will take you inside the boys hostel. Come guys.
Hello guys, I'm Prabal Gautam. I'm from group 135 MA and I'm from Wien Krasny University. I'm here to tell you about the Moodle app. We're having a class on Moodle app and even on Zoom app, some of our classes on Zoom app. These apps are providing an opportunity to study in quarantine period. Then let me show you something. Here are some of my pictures which I have taken on my application. Moodle app is very nice app. Our schedule is going same as per it was going in the university, and I would like to tell about video chatting, which is also going in Moodle app. Video chatting provides opportunity to get a face-to-face interaction with the teachers, and also about the electronic attendance. It is still going on because as we are attending our classes on the same time, we can take our notes with the video chatting. We can text our teacher personally also. Well, if we have any doubts, we can rank up our teachers.
Hello guys, I am Ankit and I am from Wien Krasny University and I am from group MA125. And today I am going to tell you about how we are continuing our studies in this quarantine time. As for the study, we have different platforms, online platforms like Moodle, Zoom applications, through which we have online classes with our teachers, and the main important thing is the teachers are giving their full efforts for us, and it's a very good way of interaction in this quarantine time. The only difference between the university classroom learning and this distance learning is the place where we are sitting now. We don't need to travel, so it's a very good idea to set up online classes as per the schedule too. It's not changed, there are no changes in the schedule. It's as per in the university, and we have full-time classes too. And if there are any doubts, we can have a re-meeting with the teacher, and there are chat rooms for the clearance of your doubts, and there's an electronic register for our attendance. Thank you.
This is Gaurang Rai. I study in KNMU. I live in Kharkiv. Nowadays quarantine is going, but our studies is going well because of the staff of KNMU. We are doing online classes on Zoom. It's doing very good. If doing online classes, if we have any doubts, we can clear our queries on online class only, or teacher gave us their personal numbers to talk to them and clear our queries. You can see my online class is going right now of anatomy. I am studying right now urinary system. You can see kidney, and there is where I can also chat here with the teacher. If I have any doubt, I can chat with the teacher, and he will clear my queries on the chat. This is my book of the university. I am doing here, I have asked question about the heart to the teacher, therefore I have opened this page of heart, and you can see also I am studying here also on the laptop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Arthur. I'm first year studying in Kharkiv International Medical University in Ukraine. I'm going to talk about the quarantine. As everyone knows that most of the people are suffering due to coronavirus, and people are feeling very stressful, and how they're going to get rid of all this chapter. They want to wrap up all the portions. So in order to avoid all this stress, all the obstacles that every student is facing in this hostel, I'm going to that we are spending our quality time on online classes. So here, as you can see, this app is called Zoom app. So we talk to all the staffs and we create online classes. So we just muted and we stopped the video so that the teachers should not find it difficult in teaching whatever the topics they're teaching. And we share our screen in case if people find it difficult to join us. So as you can see in the participants, we tell our name as well as our group numbers for the attendance so that we are not absent in that particular class. So with this we don't find it difficult. So as teachers are teaching, we find it very easy and they are very helpful. If you have any doubts, we create a personal meeting and we clear all the doubts. Teachers are very helpful and very cordial, and none of our schedules are being disturbed. We are finding it very comfortable and very happy. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Hope you all study well, stay quarantined, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.
Okay guys, this is the end of our video. In this video, I have shown you how students are studying during quarantine according to the regular schedule without any disturbance. That's it guys. Keep yourself healthy.